How to create a poll on any community on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a poll on any community on Reddit. Easy and fast actually. So first thing, go to the community that you want to create a poll in. I choose this one, for example, it's my community. Now all what you have to do is go to this create post bar right here, click on it. And now all what you have to do is go to poll right here, click on poll and choose the title, the answer, the question, for example, and the options of the poll. For example, what you prefer, YouTube or Facebook? For example, Facebook, YouTube, and click post here, and here is it. It's easy and fast. Now people can vote easy and fast, and click vote. It's actually very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.